Hello, immigration attorney Larissa Davis here, and I want to explain the NTA or notice to appear that you or somebody that you care about, a family member perhaps, has received. So the notice to appear, also referred to as an NTA, is the official document that has started removal proceedings against a foreign national. I had someone ask me the other day about this because they did not understand they were already in removal proceedings, meaning yes, the US government intends to remove them unless they can show that they have a valid legal reason to be in the United States, such as an asylum claim. So this notice to appear is important because it tells the person when and where they must appear before an immigration judge for what's called their master calendar hearing. So it's required, they must appear, and it could be sent to the person either through mail, it might be given to them in person, or it could be mailed to their lawyer if they have one. So if you are, or someone you care about, family member or friend, has crossed the United States border, and either they just went through the desert and crossed, or they crossed the river, and they did not go to a port of entry and claim asylum, and they are in removal proceedings, this is something they should have received. Now at the bottom, there's going to be the date, the time, the address, where they must appear. But sometimes, like a client that I have, they might get a notice to appear that says TBD. That means to be determined. That means their hearing has not actually been scheduled, but they've been put on notice that they will have to appear before an immigration judge. So if they do get a notice to appear, or NTA, that says the letters TBD, where the date and time for the hearing is supposed to be, then they should receive an updated notice to appear from the Department of Homeland Security, ICE, sometime after that. So it's important that if they are released on bond or parole, that they do have a current address on file so that they can be properly served with that notice. Now, if you have a lawyer and they are receiving your mail, then of course they would go over that with you. But if you get TBD, it just means they haven't scheduled it yet. Another question I got was, oh no, is this a bad thing? Well, it's just a procedure, it's required. So you have to receive it in order to make your case in front of an immigration judge. So it's your official document of that notice for you to appear. I represent clients all over the United States, and I also handle removal proceedings as well as bond and parole. So if you are looking for an immigration attorney who's experienced in handling these, and you want to set up a consultation with me, ask some questions about your case, you can give me a call. My number is 601-724-9255, and keep that NTA if you've got it, don't lose it, it's important, and show up on time to your hearing. It's best to have a lawyer to represent you. Again, if you need someone and you want to speak to me, give me a call, and my contact information is in the description box below.